Hello, and welcome to episode 2 of this Blender series, in which we will uninstall Blender. This may be because the software isn't for you, or you may no longer have a need for it anymore. Let's begin. To begin our first way of uninstalling Blender via Windows, we will need to go into Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and then we can either scroll down or type into the search bar to find Blender. In my case, I would select the version I no longer require, but your circumstances may be different if you only have the one installed. Once we find the version we do not want, we will simply click the three dots and then click Uninstall. We will then be prompted by Windows Security again, due to Blender making changes to our device, by removing itself, to which we'll click Yes, and then wait while Blender uninstalls, to which in my case I will be left with my other versions. If you receive the same pop-up as what I have just received, it is because the version of Blender I am trying to uninstall was left open. So to fix this, all you have to do is select the option to automatically close applications and then click OK. If you followed these steps, you should have successfully uninstalled Blender from your Windows machine. Now that we have uninstalled through Windows, we are now going to look at how to uninstall through Steam. So if this is the store page, all we have to do is go over to our user library, head on over to where Blender is, right click, manage, uninstall. There you'll be met with the uninstall options. You can either cancel or click uninstall. And there we have it. Blender has been simply removed from our PC quite quickly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.